In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Facebook post in Canva step by step. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing a quote, or designing content for your brand, Canva makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking Facebook posts in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through everything from choosing the right size to downloading your final design. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. If you already have an account, click Log In and enter your details. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up for free using your Google account, Facebook account, or email address. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage where you can start creating your design. Next, we need to choose the correct size for a Facebook post. At the top of the homepage, click on the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type Facebook post and select the option that says Facebook post with the size 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is the standard square size that works perfectly in the Facebook feed and ensures your design looks clean and professional. Now that your blank canvas is open, it's time to pick a template. On the left-hand side, you'll see a toolbar. Click on Templates. In the search bar within Templates, type Facebook post if it's not already filtered. Canva will show you hundreds of professionally designed layouts. You can scroll through and choose one that fits your style, brand, or message. Simply click on a template and it will automatically load onto your canvas. After selecting your template, it's time to customize the design. This is where you make the post your own. Start by editing the text. Click on any text box and type your own message. You can change the font style, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. Make sure your text is clear, bold, and easy to read. Next, replace the images if needed. Click on the existing image and press Delete if you want to remove it. Then go to the Elements or Photos section on the left to search for new images. You can also upload your own images by clicking on Uploads and adding files from your computer. Drag and drop the new image into place and resize it as needed. You can also change colors to match your brand. Click on Background Areas or Design Elements and use the color picker at the top to select new colors. If you have brand colors, you can enter the exact hex code for consistency. Don't forget you can add logos, icons, or shapes by using the Elements tab. This helps make your design look more polished and professional. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Go to the top right corner and click Share. Then click Download. Choose either PNG for higher quality or JPEG for a smaller file size. In most cases, PNG is recommended for social media graphics because it keeps your design sharp and clear. After selecting your format, click Download and the file will save to your computer. Finally, head over to Facebook. Start a new post on your profile or business page. Click Photo/Video and upload the image you just downloaded from Canva. Add your caption, hashtags, or links, and then click Post. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a Facebook post using Canva. As you can see, Canva makes the entire process simple, even if you have no design experience. With the right template, a few customizations, and proper sizing, you can create eye-catching Facebook posts in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.